don't know what's going on. The world's trying to reset itself. It's crazy. Wow, how about all those birds? It's not the same day, it's the next day. Where am I? I'm in Petaluma, California with my good friend Mike from California Travel Videos.
Hey
Say hello,
there.
Mike.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. And Kevin is getting ready to do the big thing.
Jeez, so we've got 22 hours of driving to Montana.
Wait a second. You and Barrett and Bella
and another dog.
Yeah.
So we're driving 22 hours to go pick up a dog in Montana. Most of you guys know what's going on with that. And then we're driving 28 hours out to Indiana to deliver it to Melissa and Jeff Spry. But the reason why I'm here in Petaluma, California, I wish was to see this guy, but it's really not. It's to see this stuff.
Yes. Look at this.
Holy cow! It's
Finally!
It's Rhino Wreck. Look at that.
It has a 90-day gestation cycle or something like that.
Yeah, the aluminum didn't cure for 90 days.
That's right. We served no aluminum before it's time.
Aluminium. So I'm going to hang out with my good buddy Mike here for a couple minutes. Maybe steal a shower from you?
Absolutely.
All right, I'm going to put him in my will, so I'm sorry for everybody else that wanted to be in the will. Mike's getting everything I own. I'm not sure that's a good thing. Besides Barrett and Bella. This battery's got 20% on it, so we got to cut it here so I can charge again. And I will see you guys on the road. Catch you soon. So here we are in Montana, and just 5 miles down that road is where I'm taking these dogs tomorrow for their vet appointment to get the rest of their shots for the year. And then 2 hours that way, I'm picking up a puppy and we're heading to Indiana to drop it off to Jeff Spry. So let me show you guys what Montana looks like at sunset. Take a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sleep here. We're at the Smith River Valley. This is a scenic pull-off. I'm going to sleep here tonight. Take a look at this. You can't argue with having this to go to bed to. So I'm picking up that dog tomorrow. I'm going to release this video and then start the next video when I have the puppy. So guess what, guys? We'll see you on the next one.